Hello and welcome to JK News Network. I am with you, Muhammad Faisal. The picture of the results after the presidential election in America is almost clear. President Donald Trump is losing. Democratic Party candidate Joe Biden's victory seems certain. For more than a century, there has been a tradition in America that a losing candidate congratulates the winner. This is called concession or farewell speech. In this election, bitterness and disdain between the two candidates crossed all limits. Family and personal splitters. Trump did more. There is a discussion in the America and American media that this time the tradition of concessions or farewell speech will be broken. Trump might not wish Biden a victory. The bail plea of Arnab Goswami, editor-in-chief of the Republic Group, went on trial in the Bombay High Court. Arnab's lawyer filed a supplementary application in the court today. Arnab has claimed that the police hit him with a shoe, did not even drink water. Arnab has also claimed a 6-inch deep wound in his hand, spinal cord and nerve injury. He also said that the police did not even give time to wear shoes at the time of arrest. You know, Arnab was arrested on Wednesday for allegedly abetting Mumbai's interior designer Anvoy and his mother to commit suicide. They are in judicial custody till 18th November. Voting for the third and last phase of Bihar Assembly election 2020 ended today. Many incidents took place in the last phase of voting. Meanwhile, there was an uproar after the paramilitary forces aerial firing at polling stations number 282 in Purnia. Villagers boycotted the vote in Supaul, Motihari, Darbhanga and Katihar over their various demands. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has tweeted saying that vote your one vote will continue the pace of development in Bihar and make it a development as a state of developed. Meanwhile, a young man was shot and killed in Purnia district. The young man who was murdered is Benny Singh, the younger brother of the infamous Bittu Singh. According to the information, Benny Singh was going to vote at the polling booth near the house in Sarsi when unknown criminals shot 1 by 8, killing him on the spot. There was a debate among the groups about voting, after which the case caught up and Benny Singh was shot in the same sequences. Chief Minister Hemant Soren met the girls brought to Jharkhand after freeing them from the clutches of smugglers. Most of these girls were sold by smugglers from Jharkhand to Delhi, where they were employed as midwives. During the meeting, the girls told the Chief Minister that they no longer wanted to go back home. Poverty and Naxalites will exploit them. When they go home, smugglers while out. The Chief Minister said that now there is no need to panic you. Your brother is running the government, you will be taken care of. Transport Department has issued an order for the operations of commercial vehicles in the state with slogans, "Till there is no medicine, no slack." This will come into force with immediate effect. Under this action will be taken for tasking more than the seat in other commercial vehicles, including buses. Vehicles will not have social distancing as before, meaning the more seats, the more passengers will be able to sit. Wearing a mask will be mandatory. The order clearly states that no vehicle owner will be able to increase the fare or fare of any kind of vehicle. Also, there has been a provision under the Disaster Management Act and the Motor Vehicle Act against the concerned for not following the standard operating procedure SOP issued by the Transport Department. That's it for now. Stay with us. Thank you very much.